time you can say that maybe para to maintain the equilibrium sa lahat, consider me a candidate for the vice presidency. You would know what is a lame duck. Kaya ikaw, hindi ka talaga papayag na maging shit ka rin. So nandito ka, you try to posturing yan, political posturing, so that they would not treat you badly. Kasi paalis na ako eh.